back. My name is Yemisi, and today I wanted to share with you a beautiful package that I got during the week. I was so happy and elated. You all know I'm a makeup junkie. I love makeup and I love to review them as well. So I got its package from YSL. So I'm so excited. So I got this package from YSL and I was so happy. I was like, oh my god, you know, the packaging is beautiful. Like, oh my god, look at like a lipstick. And then the funny thing was when I opened it and I saw that the way the lipstick looked, like the casing looked, was the same way the lipstick looked. I was blown. Like, attention to detail is crazy. The attention to detail is what got me. I'm like, wow, it looks very luxurious, it looks very posh, very, I don't know, just give me the English, just put it down below, let me know. So I put it up on my Insta story and I was asking people to guess what it was, and guess what, it was lipstick. Just one person got it out, that was Debbie, and that's because Debbie had already seen it somewhere else, so she knew it was lipstick. So I'm pulling it to show you what it looks like. So that's it. Wow. So that's it. So this is the casing, this is what it looks like now, just empty, and this is the lipstick. So it's 16 in all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 different lipsticks. So that's it. Captured, and then below it has the gold logo. So that's it. Okay. So I'm going to open it up. So this, I know that from the 16 shades, they all have numbers down below. So this particular lipstick is called YSL Slim Pur Cosmetic. The slim matte lipstick, like because of the way I just wanted to leave that. I'm very picky about smell. My cosmetics, powder, foundation, lipsticks. I like my lipstick and my powder to smell really nice. If it smells awful, probably might not find me using. So this smells like YSL perfume, like that's the scent to it, you know. It's beautiful. Casing, you know that YSL does not do regular stuff. It's always very luxurious. Their casing is usually very unique to them, you know, like it has this feel of ostentatious, you know, very high class, bougie, you know, very, you know what I'm saying? Very, very, not the regular stuff that you can find around them. So frame so that I can see that. That's it. Okay. YSL Beauty sold at Excensa store. They have a store in the Palms. You can also check them online and so you can get where you can actually buy them. It's sold for $39. It's 15,000 naira, but I don't know how much is sold at the Excensa store. It should be between 15, 17 or more. I don't know, thereabouts. But you can, I'll put the link below where you can get it here in Nigeria and you can, you know, buy from them if you want to. The way it looks, so you can twist up and then twist down. These are the lipstick shades that I have, but I don't want to swatch everything because I really don't want to make a mess of it. So I'm going to just select a few. So I picked up 5 shades from the whole collection and I'm going to try them on. I don't want to make a mess of the whole thing. I probably might want to give it out eventually, so I don't want to start testing on myself and then it looks like it's used when I want to give it out. So let me try these ones and then come just show you what it looks like. I have nothing on, just lip gloss, so I'm going to start with this 04, which is a purple. Can you see? And it's beautiful. So this is my first. This is the first shade I'm trying out. It's a purple, a beautiful purple. So let's go. So slow switch it back. Bring it out enough so that it doesn't break. So I think the reason why it's shaped like this so that it can bring out the cupid bow. It glides easily. Wow. What do you think? My lips. It is pigmented, like, can you see? It's the color on the lipstick that is actually the color of my mouth, you know. So it's pigmented. I didn't even use a lot. If I want more color payoff, I'm going to have to use a bit more, but it is pigmented. But what I can see, it's actually very pigmented, and it smells really nice. So that's for the whole 4. So I'm going to take it out now. Look at it very well. I'm taking it off now. It's comfortable. It's very comfortable. Very, very comfortable on the lips. Okay, so that's for the purple. It's not oily, it's not greasy. It feels like a cushion, like a velvety mat, you know. It feels very comfortable to wear. Like I have nothing on, like I have nothing on my lips, but I actually have lipstick on my lips. It feels very, very comfortable, and I like the smell. It smells very luxurious. It smells like perfume, you know. So one of the things I also notice about this is for the color payoff. For some of them, you have to go in like 2-3 times to build. So this is actually very beautiful. What you see in the tube is what you get on your lips. Like the color payoff is real. The pigmentation is real. You don't have to, you know, apply a lot before you get that exact same shade you're seeing in the tube. You know, so my lips are take a full. I don't know who are paying thousands of dollars to do these, but this is all gold. This is natural. I didn't want to take this lipstick off, but I have to. So I have to try the next one. So, and it's easy to remove. Can you see how stick it out with the wet wipe? And I like the fact that it doesn't dye your lips. Like it changes, you know, some lipstick when you wear it just changes the color of your lips. This doesn't do that. So this is color, I don't know if you can see it, 06. So that's 06. So this is what this looks like. This looks like this. This is a nude. Okay, so that I don't make a mess. Ah, I love. What? Love. This is just This is like perfect nude. This is like my perfect nude. Like what? I see myself wearing this often. This is like my perfect nude. This is all I just need to do with this is just get a lip liner. It looks like my skin is extended to my lips. Like it's just beautiful. Like I like, and I like the texture. Can you see? If you don't mind splodging on lipstick, like this is perfect. Like this is perfect for me. Perfect. Like, you can't even tell because it just kind of like disappears into my skin. You see? So it's a perfect nude. The square is because you need to give that perfect cupid bow, so it helps. Yeah. You know. Okay. Okay. And this lipstick is pigmented. Really. Okay, not bad. So this is 18 on my lips. I know Dela will like this. I keep showing against the lipstick because I know if I swatch it, it might not do justice. Like, can you see? The swatching might not do justice as it would do on my lips because you might not be able to see the beauty, but look at it on my lips. It's just the same way it is. Like the application it runs smooth. You don't have to start tugging or pulling, or it's creamy or it's matte. to stays. This color I have on now is 18. That is what it looks like in the tube, and that's what it looks like on my lips. So, and it doesn't transfer like your teeth or not. Now it stays put. So the last shade I'm doing today is color 13. Guys, this is beautiful. It's red. It's a red. It's really red. So let me wear this on my lips. As you can see, the lipsticks don't stain your lips. When you take them out, it comes out. Unlike some lipsticks that when you take out, you have like that tint that can last like 2-3 days because the lipstick can like dyes your lips or stains your lips, and it stays there for a while. This doesn't stain your lip, and it's very comfortable. You can take it out very easily. It doesn't stain your teeth either. It doesn't have that. One of the things I like about it is the texture won't allow you have that whitish line because it gives a very matte, velvety finish. It's not thick, it doesn't pack on, it just glides on easily. So let's try this one. So that's all for the lipstick testing, guys. I tried out 5 lipsticks. I didn't want to go into everything, the whole 16, and just start swatching new, because I said to myself, I don't want to make a mess of it. And just in case I want to give somebody, I want it to be in the perfect shape that they would appreciate, just in case. I'm not saying I want to give somebody yet, but just in case I want to give somebody, I want it to be in perfect condition, so that they can have it and appreciate it. But so far, so good. So here's what I think, guys. I know not a lot of people can afford to buy a lipstick for 16,000, 17,000, thereabout. But if you want to treat yourself, like you want to have that, how this is something you use, like a self-care, pamper kind of thing vibe, I think this is actually worth it. You have that lipstick that even when you're putting on, nobody can talk to you anyhow, because you have correct lipstick on, and you can eat, you can drink, you don't have to worry about it moving or smudging or anything like that. You know that you have that confidence. They're saying, oh, you can just whip it out, reapply, and everybody, that kind of vibe, this is for you. So I wanted to share with you the volume of lipstick you're going to get. So this is what you are going to get. This is all the lipstick there is inside. Can you see? This is the amount of lipstick you're going to get. This is the highest it can go. This is the amount of lipstick you're going to get in it. So you don't have a lot in it, but very little goes a long way. So this should last you for a while. Let me see if it's transfer proof. I've had this on for a while now. So of course you have a little bit of stain. But however, the lipstick is still on your lips. It's a soft matte lipstick, so it means that it's very comfortable. It's not your drying matte. At some point when you eat or drink, definitely some parts will come off, but you still have a reasonable amount on your lips. You guys know I'm very particular about what I put on my lips, so this is safe. This feels good on my lips. It doesn't give me that dryness. It's comfortable, it's buildable, it's pigmented like the way I like it, and it's $39, 16,000, 7,000 naira. So thank you guys for watching. Diola, this video is for you because you have been on my neck to see the review, and I hope you buy one of them. Just let me know which shade you buy. You can, like I said, you can always walk into a store and try it. So guys, let me know which one is your favorite. The nude for me is my favorite, and that's like perfect from all the collection. This red is not bad. The other colors are not bad as well, but I just love when I get my perfect nude, and that's just did it for me. So thank you guys for watching. If you eventually get your own YSL lipstick, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done that. Please turn on your notification bell, like this video, and share with your friends. Bye guys.